You know, sometimes things work very slowly, and every once in a while, everything clicks together where they work very quickly. This is one of those situations. I'm here in Baja California, the Hope Project, and last Giving Tuesday, we raised about $7,500 towards our water project here. And the first phase of that is water storage, and behind me is a 4,000 gallon clean water storage tank that will be storage for Camp Hope and for the Hope Center, and eventually for other projects as well. We'll be able to fill water trucks from this. So there's a lot of phases left to go, but this is an amazing step forward. All they have left to do is to pour the lid for it, and they're waiting for concrete till tomorrow to do that. But this is amazing. And so we just want to say, for all of you that gave to this water project, thank you so much. Your generosity in 2020 has been amazing. It's awesome. Thanks.